upon the mount where Christ once taught. He showed the path the Spirit sought. Blessed are the pure in heart, he said, and crowned them with his grace outspread. How blessed are the pure in heart, whose light shines bright where'er they start. Though pilgrims in this world they roam, they shall behold their God at home in glory round his heavenly throne. While man beholds the outward frame, the Lord looks deeper than a name. A life untainted, free from guile, is precious in his sight all the while. How blessed are the pure in heart, whose light shines bright wherever they start. Though pilgrims in this world they roam, they shall behold their God at home in glory round his heavenly throne. Like David, let our voices rise. Create in me a heart made wise, a heart made pure, O Lord, renew. For human strength alone won't do, only Christ's blood can cleanse us through. How blessed are the pure in heart, whose light shines bright wherever they start. Though pilgrims in this world they roam, they shall behold their God at home in glory round his heavenly throne. Who seek both worldly joys and God, with divided hearts upon the road, can never walk the narrow way. But those whose hearts are wholly his are truly pure and filled with bliss. How blessed are the pure in heart, whose light shines bright wherever they start. Though pilgrims in this world they roam, they shall behold their God at home in glory round his heavenly throne. From sin and worldly chains set free, the faithful walk in liberty, where hatred and envy find no place. Their joy abides through boundless grace. How blessed are the pure in heart, whose light shines bright wherever they start. Though pilgrims in this world they roam, they shall behold their God at home in glory round his heavenly throne. trust eternally.